Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Question number 1. What do you mean by natural numbers? So natural numbers are the numbers which you speak naturally. Means when you count some objects, you always start from the 1. It means the counting numbers are the natural number. So what do you mean by natural number? Counting numbers. The question number first answer will be option A. Question number 2. What is the difference between smallest natural number and whole numbers? Smallest natural number starts from 1 to infinity and the whole number starts from 0 to infinity. The smallest natural number is 1, smallest whole number is 0 and 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Answer should be option B. Second answer will be B. Question number 3. Name the number indicated in the following place value chart. Which number is written here? Actually, this is the international numeral system because the periods are given ones, thousands, millions, billions and trillions. So the number system is given here is the international numeral system. Okay. So what number is coming in the trillion system? Trillion system is coming till here. And in the billion system, it is coming till here. Just mark it first, then the million system, and then the thousand system, and then ones. Okay. So in the trillion, it is 536 trillion. 536 trillion. How many billion? 942. 942 billion. And 310 million. 310 million. 33,125. The first one is 53 trillion. No, wrong. Option B, 536 trillion. Okay. 942 billion. Yes. 310 million. Yes. 33,125. Yes. Option B is matching with our answer. Third answer will be option B. Okay. Come to the question number 4. Name the number indicated in the Indian place value chart as per the international system of numeration. Okay. This is the international system of numeration. No, this is the Indian system of numeration. Given it is the Indian system of numeration and you have to write it in the international system of numeration. So first write the number here and decide its periods. It is 1, 0, 5, 6, 4, 3, 6, 4, 0, 3, 1, 4, 4. It is. Okay. Now write it. Now decide its places first. So period will be, this is the ones period, this is the thousands period, then it is million period, then it is billion period, and then trillion period. So it is 1 trillion. I am writing here the period also. Ones, thousands, million, billion, and trillion. So 1 trillion, 56 billion, 436 million, 403,144. Check where it is. 1,436,403,144. Option A is the answer. The fourth answer will be option A. When the given number is given in the international system and they ask to find out in the Indian system, so first decide the period and then write it as the Indian system. And if it is given in the Indian system and you have to write in the international system, so first decide the period. Okay, as I did. Okay, come to the question number 5. Name the number indicated in the international place value chart as per Indian system of numeration. Now it is given as the international and you have to write it in the Indian system of numeration. So first copy the number. Copy the number. It is 0024515642107. Now copied the number and we have to write it as the Indian system of numeration. So to write it as the Indian system of numeration, first decide the periods of the number. So this is the ones period, then thousands period, then lakh period, then crore period, and then Arab, and then Kharab. So ones period, thousands period, lakh period, crore period, Arab period, and Kharab period. So it is 80 Kharab, 24 Arab, 51 crore, 56 lakh, 42,107. Okay. So fifth answer 80 Kharab. Okay. 24 Arab, 50 crore. It is 50 crore. No. Answer should be 51 crore. Rejected. 80 Kharab, 24 Arab, 51 crore, 56 lakh, 42,000 and 107. Option B is the correct answer. The fifth answer will be option B. Okay, come to the question number 6. Find the place value of 6 in the numeral which is this more than this. This number more than this means we have to add both the number. Okay, so to add both the number, first note the number. It is 5 4 5 3 4 4 5 5 6 5. Now I am writing from the right to left so that all the place value should be same. So 0 3 2 6 5 5 6 5 5 4 4 4 6 4 4 4 6. Now add both of them because they are asking for more than. So 5 plus 0 5, 6 plus 3 9, 7 8 0 0 1 5 3 8 9 9 8 9 6. Where is the 0? 0 is here. So what is the place value of 6? It means 6 and this number of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros are there should be. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is more. Now count the sixth zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 10. 3 and plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. One extra zeros are there. Let me count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Should be 10 0 to count the zeros. 3 plus 3 9 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10. C option is the correct answer. So sixth answer will be option C. Okay. Come to the question number 7. Find the successor of the number which is equal to the product of this and this. You have to find the product of this. So it should be 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5 and 57, 98. 57, 98. You have to find the multiplication of this two. So to multiply this, first we have to multiply with the ones place digit. 8 5s are 40, carry 4. 8 6 are 48, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, carry 5. 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 5, 45, carry 4. 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 4, 36, carry 3. 8 5s are 40 plus 3, 43, carry 4. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4, 8, carry 2, 8 4s are 32, 33, 34. Okay, now we will start from the tens place digit. So 9 5s are 45, carry 4, 9 6 are 54 plus 4, 58, carry 5, 9 5s are 45 plus 5, 50, carry 5, 9 4s are 36 plus 5, 41, carry 4, 9 5s are 45 plus 4, 49, carry 4, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 4, 31, carry 3, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 3, 39. Okay, now we will start from the hundreds place. So 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 7 6s are 42 plus 3, 45, carry 4, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 4, 39, carry 3, and 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3, 31, carry 3, 7 5s are 35 plus 3, 38, carry 3, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 3, 24, carry 2, 7 4s are 28 plus 2, 30. Now we will start from the thousands place. We will put 3 zeros here. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32, carry 3. 5 5s are 22, plus, 25 plus 3, 28, carry 2. 5 4s are 20, 22, carry 2. 5 5s are 25, 27, carry 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17, carry 1. And 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. Now add all of them. 0, 5 plus 2, 7. 5, 5 to 10 plus 8, 18. Carry 1. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Plus 1, 17. Carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13, 13 14, 15, 16. Carry 1. 9 plus 10, 10, 8, 18, 18, 8, 26, 27, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 15, 16, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 10, 3, 13, 13, 4, 17, 17, and 7, 24, carry 2, 3, 2, 5, 5, 10 to 12, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1 5, carry 1, no, not carry 2. So now the answer will be the successor of this. To find the successor of this, so it should be plus 1. So here it should be 1. Okay, so what is the answer? 25, 24, 77, 67, 87 plus 1. So answer C. Seventh answer will be option C. Question number 8. Steve has 3,400,000 rupees. What is the worth his money as per the Indian system of the numeration? How can we write 3 million? So first write the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. 3 million it is. So 3 million and 400,000. 400, and there is no number in the ones period. Okay, how can we write it in the Indian system, numeral system? Put comma as per the Indian numeral system. So it is ones period, thousands period, lakh period, 34 lakh. Answer should be D. Eighth answer will be D. Okay. Come to the question number 9. In the number uh, 2,75,465, what is the difference between the place value of 5? There are two 5. 2, 7, 5, 4, 6, 5. There are two 5. One 5 is here. Its place value is 5,000 and one 5 is here. Whose place value is only 5. 5,000 minus 5 equal to 10 minus 5. 5,994. 4,995. Where it is? It is in the option number C. Ninth answer will be C. Question number 10. Find the predecessor of the number which is dash less than x. X is the 7-digit smallest number. So first we have to write the 7-digit smallest number. 7-digit smallest number means 6, 0 and there will be 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this. This is the 7-digit smallest number. And x is less than 4,54,412. So just write the number from right side. 2, 1, 4, 4, 5, 4. Subtract. For the subtraction, this will be your 10 and rest will be your 9. 9. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 54, 55, 88. Where it is? 54, 55, 88. Option B. 10th answer will be option B. No, because we have to write the predecessor. Don't do this mistake. Okay, we have to write the predecessor. It means predecessor means one less than this and one less than this. It will be 7, 8, 5, 5, 4, 5. It should be option number A. So 10th answer will be A. Okay, come to the question number 11. Which of the following is the successor of 200, 5,76,306,523? So you have to write the successor. So first write the number. For writing this number, first decide the places. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. It is still 200, 5 trillion. Okay, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion. ठीक है, 10 trillion and 100 trillion. So we have to write first 205 trillion. 205 trillion and then 76 billion. 76 billion. Okay, 306 million. 306 million. 5,000. Only 5,000. 110 will be 0. 5,023. No number at hundreds place. Its successor. So plus 1, it should be 20, 24 here. ठीक है, तो आंसर शुड बी 205,076. 205 it is A is the cancel. Second is cancel. Third C 205, but it is 24. Okay, match it. 205 and 5076 306 0 0. No, here it is. 205 076 306 0 5 0. Correct. 11th answer will be option D. Okay. Come to the question number 12. Name the period which is just right to the place, a period Arabs in the Indian place value chart. So, the Indian place value chart is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, Arab, 10 Arab, Kharab, 10 Kharab. Beside the Arab, what is just right side the Arab. So right side the Arab, there is crore. So 12th answer should be C. 12 C. Question number 14. In the Indian place value chart, which one of the following period has been split into three places? Indian place value, which of the following periods split into three places? So only in the Indian place value chart, only one place is splitted into three places. That is your ones, tens, and hundred, and others are splitted in two places. Okay, answer should be A. 13th answer is A. Question number 14. When a numeral is written as per the International System of Numeration, the digit 5 is at 10 billion place in the numeral. Okay. What will be the place of the digit if the numeral is written according to the Indian place value system? Okay. So digit 5 is at the 10 billion place. 10 billion means it is 50 billion. Okay. So 50 billion, how can we write? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and then billion, and then 50 billion. Okay. It is at your 10 billion means 50 billion. You have to write its places according to the Indian numeral system. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, Arab, 10 Arab. So 5 is at the 10 Arab place. There it is. It is in the option number B. The 14th answer will be B. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.